Control unit. C. Control of instruction execution. The CPU takes out, fetches, each instruction from stored programs, and then decodes and executes it. Let us examine this by dividing the instructions into the instruction fetch cycle and the instruction execution cycle. Instructions that the CPU can execute are called as machine language. Most of the machine instructions has two fields. One is a field containing the operation code, or called instruction code, and another is a field containing the address of the target data to be processed. When executing the instruction, the control unit uses the instruction address register, instruction register, and instruction decoder, or simply called decoder, which has the function to determine the type of operation to be executed, in the following manner. (1) Fetch cycle. The content of the instruction address register is sent to the address selection circuit in main memory. The instruction stored at the selected address is taken out to the instruction register through the read-write circuit. At this time, the length of the instruction that was taken out is added to the instruction address register. For example, if the length of the instruction is 2 words, then 2 is added. The content of the address register after the instruction has been taken out indicates the instruction address of the next instruction. 2. Execution cycle. The decoder within the control unit decodes the content of the operation code of the instruction transferred to the instruction register. It then sends the control signal needed for execution to the arithmetic logical unit, I/O device, etc. At the same time, the effective address, which indicates the location where the target data is stored or to be stored in main memory, is calculated and sent to the address selection circuit. The data is transferred to and from the designated register based on this address. If the instruction is an arithmetic operation, the instruction is executed by the operational circuit in the arithmetic logical unit, ALU. Depending on the types of instructions, there are several addressing methods to calculate the effective address. The details will be explained later in the addressing method. The control unit repeats the above processes: fetching the instruction, decoding it, calculating the address, transferring the data, executing the instruction, to execute a series of program instructions. This type of procedure in which instructions are executed one after another is called sequential control. When an instruction has been fetched, the content of the instruction address register is updated to the address of the next instruction. Because of this, when the execution cycle is completed and the next fetch cycle begins, the next instruction can be fetched right away. This means that if 1 and 2 are alternately repeated, and instructions can be fetched and executed in the order they are arranged in the program,